The Ship Inn is in the Isle of Dogs, which is an iconic part of London. This is the heart of what was once the Docklands, where ships from the British colonies would dock to unload their precious goods. Today, it's a mix of shiny skyscrapers and quiet residential streets. And despite the name, I surprisingly didn't spot a single dog. The Ship Inn is a beautiful traditional Victorian pub that is known for its historic charm and welcoming atmosphere. Downstairs, the pub serves everything from real ales and craft beers to stone-baked pizzas. It only has 3 guest rooms available, and they all share one bathroom. The rooms are often described as cozy and clean. Single room with shared bathroom, virtual visit. Here is my objective assessment.
Positive points.
Biscuits, cookies in room. Relatively nice view out of the window. Tea-making facilities. The water kettle was very impressive. It was the fastest I have ever used. Great location for the Greenwich Foot Tunnel. Around a 5 to 10-minute walk. Then, on the other side of the Thames, there are attractions like the Cutty Sark, the Greenwich Market, or the Observatory.
Negative points.
No coffee available, only tea. No phone to TV pairing, though they did have Roku TV. Very loud in the morning when people start going to the bathroom. I felt that the room could have been cleaner. I stayed in July 2025. No breakfast was offered. The room cost 58.5 British pounds, that was equivalent to around 75 US dollars. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to check out the rating I give to the hotel at the end of the video. If you fancy trying another accommodation that also serves as a pub, click on the top right to see my review of the Yew Castell in Caernarfon, Wales. Here is the shared bathroom and extra toilet. I didn't go to the pub, so my rating is only based on the rented room. The pub itself seems to have good reviews and seems to be popular for its pizzas. My rating 3.9.